Applications Equipment Product Specialist. We're going to go over some of your daily service points on this TerraGator liquid system. We're going to start by checking the hydraulic oil reservoir, making sure you're in between the add and your hot and cold fill lines, and then also making sure that the top of the tank is clean of any mud or debris or any buildup. Make sure that breather is clean. And so next we'll move on and we're going to check the hydraulic cooler located on the fender. We want to make sure that this gets cleaned out and not backed up with any debris. Next we're going to go and talk about greasing the booms. It is easier if you go and can get the booms out in the spray position at a good working height. That way you can kind of go one end to the other. In the back of the machine we have two grease banks. They get all the higher parts that are harder to get at, so you don't have to get a ladder out. But there are more grease zerks on this rear frame than just what's in the grease banks. So make sure that you get the base and rod end of the cylinders, all the clevises as well. And you can work your way out to the boom tip fold area as well as the breakaway.